Welcome back. Well, back from a hurricane conference in South Texas, then a solar eclipse yesterday in Central Texas, and now it's severe weather time here in Acadiana and a higher end threat for severe storms, especially for springtime for Acadiana. So let's bring it over to the key well, and you can see our metrics here are pretty high for the possibility of damaging winds and maybe isolated tornadoes. So that is going to be the main threat as we head into tomorrow. Hail possible. There's going to be some locally heavy rainfall, but we're not sure how it's going to play out. The storms may come through in one big push, or they could take their time. Bottom line, storms are going to be tomorrow morning, and I wouldn't be surprised if we wake up to a tornado watch first thing in the morning, or one is issued right around 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning for our area. So here's the big picture. Storm system in Texas is kind of split in two. We have these storms that are rolling across the northern part of the state. We have a tornado watch till 11 o'clock tonight. Severe thunderstorm watches down in Texas, and this is the disturbance that's going to be rolling on through and intensifying. You can see the severe thunderstorm warnings in Texas, damaging winds and hail there. And we've had a couple of tornado warnings, one for southeast Texas going right now. And you can see all the cloud to ground lightning here. Very intense activity, as this activity will be slowly moving east-northeastward and could set up for a very heavy rain axis from southwestern, western Louisiana on northeastward. I don't think Acadiana has major flood threats, but we'll have to watch it, especially for the northwestern portions of the Acadiana area. And you can see this one severe storm right here just south of Jasper, a very intense storm, a lot of positive cloud to ground lightning. This is a supercell thunderstorm, likely producing damaging winds and maybe an isolated tornado. So we'll watch that. In fact, let's go back and just take a quick look at the storm tracking here, see if we have, well, showing rotation within this cell, and that is not unusual for a severe thunderstorm. So and it's a supercell storm here in Acadiana. Relatively quiet, not a whole lot going on right now, and that's the way it's going to play for the bulk of the night. But after 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, things will be moving on in. Now, once again, as we indicated, this is an elevated risk for severe storms. It's rare that we're in an enhanced or moderate risk for severe weather, and most of Acadiana in an enhanced risk. Even the slight risk area is going to have to be on guard, and then the moderate risk, you're talking a level 4 out of 5 for the possibility of not only damaging winds, but isolated strong tornadoes, EF2 or greater. EF2 is 111 mile per hour winds and could be greater than that. There could be a couple of strong ones out there. So again, we're using predictive radar here. By 3 o'clock in the morning, you see those storms in Texas progress eastward, and then they're waiting on some more energy back to the west. So they may weaken a little bit pre-dawn hours, and then we'll be watching storms pushing on through during the course of the morning hours through mid-morning. And that's when we could see some supercells producing damaging winds and some locally very heavy rainfall. Then by noon, things look to quiet down, and then by tomorrow afternoon, we might even see the sun. So I wouldn't be surprised on that. And look at the rainfall estimates. Again, this is just one model run that updates once an hour, but area-wide, 1 to 3 inches of rain possible. And again, the model catching maybe some thunderstorm training, so there could be very heavy rainfall. Don't take these numbers for truth. It's just going to be a very dynamic situation. That's what the model's recognizing it. So we're going to be watching it through the overnight hours and through daybreak tomorrow. So breezy, warm, and humid overnight tonight. Storms developing by daybreak, mainly the western parishes. And then tomorrow, a stormy morning for sure. Severe storms possible. Expect a tornado watch at least through mid-morning, probably the early afternoon for the southeastern parishes of Acadiana. Thereafter, we have smooth sailing, sunshine returning, beautiful weather for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But tomorrow, a rare weather alert day for Acadiana for an enhanced risk of severe storms. And then we get warm and humid again with some rain chances toward the end of next week. So that's it for right now. Stay weather aware tomorrow. Make sure you have the KTC weather app downloaded. That'll give you all the warnings and watch information that you'll need to stay safe during the course of that stormy period tomorrow. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.